Hi everyone, James G0CC here. Just thought I'd do a quick video, and I'm hoping I can finish the video because I can't talk very well because I've got a lot of pain in my jaw. But I thought I'd just do a quick video today on the it's called, just show you quickly, just for those of you that don't know, it's called a Phats 141AX. Now what this is for is a better quality speaker for the icom SP41. I've got two of these which will go either side of my 7610, and I want them to sound really good. Now if you're wondering, if you bought one of these and you're wondering why the sound quality wasn't that great, I can understand that. As soon as I took it apart, the speaker's not really great, not what I'd call really good quality at all. And this is the only sound insulation, this sort of pathetic looking stuff here that fits in this sort of canal thing, and then there's like a sort of tube at the back, like you screw that onto the back of this speaker. Not very good sound insulation at all, and lots of the noise is sort of lost in this sort of area. This is the kit that you get. The speaker is much better quality, much higher end I should say, or especially more than that. This is pathetic. And these foam inserts here will go in the speaker. The quality of this is like real thick rubber, and there's like quite a few of these. I'll show you them quickly, and they're all labelled like B, C, D and E sort of thing. And these all pack in around this in a certain way, which looks similar to that up there. If you can see that on my computer, you can see they sort of fit inside, and then the spongy thing goes right next to the speaker, so it absorbs all the sound, top, bottom, up, and top, bottom, left and right sort of thing of the speaker. All these sort of fit in here eventually. So, but quite impressed with the quality, very good quality. All these inserts, they come as a kit, but I thought I'd just do a quick video just before I actually do it, just to show people the difference between the kit that you get, which is that there, and this will go obviously in here. And just before I desolder these wires here, so I'll do a quick video on it so you can see the difference if you're thinking about buying this kit, or you come by my video and you're wondering what's the difference. Hoping this video shows you a little bit. I can see it here, a huge difference. Not heard what it sounds like yet, but I'm sure it's going to be a big difference on that. So I'm looking forward to it. Now, like I say, I've got two of these, two speakers. I'll just show you quickly, very quickly. I'll just quickly go into my what will be my shack eventually. It's being built at the moment. I'm just doing it bit by bit. Got some of the uplights done here, which will be for the shelving. Got loads and loads of them to do yet. But in my shack you'll see I've got another speaker here, the 7610. I've got the 7300 and the 9700, which will be above this eventually on another shelf. And these obviously, the 7300 and the 9700 will be together as twins sort of thing. So I'm looking forward to what it sounds like when it's actually all done. I've got both speakers done. I'm going to do one today and one tomorrow. And then I'll do another video to let you know the outcome, so you can see what it sounds like, or hopefully get an idea from me how impressed I am from it. Back again, and I thought I'd just do a quick video to show you on the back of the other video following on from my speaker, the SP41, the icom 7610. And here it is, if I can show you the inserts all in, all the way around, even on the bottom. You can see, so a lot different affair. Hopefully this here will go on the top. Just about to fit that. That's the last bit that goes on. Fit that for a minute, one sec. That should fit snug there. Everything fits really well. And That goes in like that, I think. And as you can see, it's totally encased. Will be. There's some on the bottom as well, just see the bottom. And you can see it on the bottom as well. So I'm hoping to get a really much nicer sound out of it. These can probably just put in the spare box, junk box, I think. I will keep them just in case someone wants a spare. My advice to them though is to upgrade. So I hope this video helps anyone that's about to do this. Just a quick tip for you, just show you quickly. Don't know if you can see this bit here at the bottom. You need to cut this bit out. Just a little bit of foam to cut out for this regulator here. Transformer, sorry. Just have to cut that out a little bit, okay? And that's it. It will fit down on in there. Because I was baffled why it wouldn't fit. And they had cutouts for it, but then I read the manual again. And the manual's not that great, by the way. But you'll figure it out. You'll figure out how it all goes. It's not hard at all. So I hope that helps someone that's thinking about doing this. Just one to go. Speak to you later, guys.